one principal medicine overlooked, now revealed by the Nobel Prize. Medical technologies and devices have advanced dramatically, yet incurable diseases continue to persist. The number of people who take medication for their entire lives is steadily increasing. Modern medicine even turns aging into a disease. This is its blind spot. But the Nobel Prize have already provided the answer. The reason illnesses do not heal is because the treatment approach is wrong. The solution is not suppressing symptoms with drugs, but allowing cells to heal themselves. Incurable diseases disappear once their root cause is removed. This is the single principle proven by Nobel Prize research. Your body is healing itself right now through autophagy, neural activation, and protein folding mechanisms. Many people must stop medication to survive. This is the reality. Because cells are stronger than medicine. The mind's law that awakens the brain. Our minds change according to what we repeatedly hear. Hearing sermons often makes you feel like a believer. And frequently hearing doctors' explanations makes you feel like a patient. Knowing can become a disease, while not knowing can at times be a cure. The more you obsess over health, the easier it is to harm it. Aging is not a disease, it is a natural biological process. But hearing medical explanations repeatedly can make even aging feel like a disease. When you add medication to a wrong diagnosis, even good medication becomes fuel on a fire. No matter how good a drug is, misuse turns it into poison. But now a new era has begun. Nobel-winning studies reveal that instead of suppressing disease with drugs, the key is the cell's ability to heal itself. Autophagy, the discovery of cellular cleansing and regeneration. 2021, temperature and touch receptors of neural activation. 2024, protein folding, the technology that targets the root of disease. These three breakthroughs say this: do not suppress disease, let the body heal itself. Bolio John began walking this path back in 2006. Using herbal ingredients and microorganisms, he developed Autophagy. Animal studies confirmed improvement potential for incurable diseases. A decade later, the world rediscovered this truth. The Nobel Prize mechanisms of 2016.2021 and 2024 proved it. Today, Yaksa Bulgyu Jun continues to help people researching foods that help cells remove disease at the root. And awakening neural cells through the teaching of the Lotus Sutra. When the brain, central and peripheral nerves awaken, self-healing opens its own door. A world without medication is not a fantasy. When cells awaken, the root of disease collapses. Where Nobel Prize science meets the wisdom of the Lotus Sutra, there begins a new era of health. Have a healthy day, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.